There is a few ways on how you can build tire carrier for Land Rover Defender. The easiest is to enforce the frame inside the rear door, but in the long run it will affect the hinges if the spare tire is too big or heavy. Defender rear door hinges are not that cheap. More efficient way is to build kind of radial arm that uses the strength of the rear car edges instead of the door. This way the door will become part that moves the spare tire holder. For this you need to fabricate the tire holder and a few parts to mount it with the vehicle edges and the door. For the frame you can use 1.5-inch tube with 3mm thickness. For the frame holder a 2-inch flat bar with 5mm thickness is required. There is a frame in the center edge and with rivet on it. Get that rivet out and drill hole to install a nut and bolt for the frame holder. Do the same process with the steel rear bumper. You need a very good bearing for the radial frame for it to last long and carry a heavy load. In between the door and tire holder frame, 6-inch tube is needed as a device to push the tire frame whenever the door is open. The bearing on the door need to be adjustable. This is because the small gap can be tuned so the spare tire will have no or less bounce effects once the door are shut. That's all for today folks. Hope this will help. See you in the next build.